galot actually stands for get a load of this. I ain't gonna say it, but Jeff, what, hey, these waves did not come to life. Come on, here I built Jeff. No offense, we'll talk later. As long as you don't sleep on my couch again, Beth. Well, you could, I guess. I don't care. They're all gone now. Tell you what, come home and sleep on the couch, and you got two young ladies up there.
Hear me?
We also need to thank the track workers. Dan Scott out there and Eddie Elliott. Eddie's been driving the roller on this track for over 20 years. You know that, Tom? Yeah. So, these guys have been driving forever. Who else is out there? Tom Kellum.
We're playing games.
Anyway, Brent Payne out of Hamilton, Ohio, up next with the Galot tractor. Now, both of them first tractors will be a in-line 6-cylinder. Well, I went to the far left side of the track, and that may not have been the thing to do. 262 even, 262 even. I've just been told, Kyle, that Eddie